Alright people, welcome back my channel. My channel is such as alright this night. I with my friend here just there's this coffee here, go up restaurant Hanakata here. Can you imagine that? I've never very exactly what the word, what from Aceh Hanakata, what it means, no words, what. But nowadays a lot of coffee shop nowadays like cafeteria in Malaysia nowadays look like Europe or United States or United Kingdom, very totally same with them. What? I myself until now just invite a lot of tourists together. I just choose from Disney and the day, after now sister two for the same music at the time. Most famous nowadays. So don't forget to stop by and visit Aceh because you have chairs, like coffee shop, like like Europe, what, like Australia or like United Kingdom, very close similar. So I myself until now I just focus for promoting Aceh like tourism and like a culture and like imagine that culinary in Aceh very totally awesome than before. So I myself until now I focus for invite a lot of like tourists, like visitors to get Aceh because Aceh as now is just a very totally awesome than before, right? That's my time, what, my ideas or my experience or what, my word, my ideas how to promoting Aceh very totally awesome nowadays than promoting Aceh from Aceh to the world, right? That's my time. Don't forget like and subscribe to the channel because my channel for like promoting like tourism, culture, and then Aceh student can speak many languages, and then Aceh history, the graveyard, Aceh stone, very too awesome. Alright, that's my time. Selamat